Hey, it's Craig from Utopia here, and with today's video, build tours are back with a bang. So without further ado, let's find out what's under the skin of this very colourful Ballista. Fully addressable ARGB fans are making a strong appearance here with this fully water-cooled Ballista housed in Cooler Master's awesome H500M case. The CPU is an Intel Core i9-7980XE, which has been overclocked to 4 GHz across all 18 cores. Yes, this CPU has a whopping 18 cores of power. At the rear of this PC you will see an 850W Corsair RM850x power supply, as well as the I/O ports for accessories and monitors. Our client wanted a pink theme with the fluid and we were happy to oblige, and the Mayhem's pastel pink fluid we selected was the easy choice. .64GB of ADATA XPG Spectrix RGB RAM strafes the CPU, and its pastel colours look awesome beside the pink liquid. The 11GB NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2080 Ti is cooled with a Fantex water block and mounted on a vertical bracket so we can all enjoy its colourful goodness. The huge amount of VRAM means this system is capable of editing 8K video as well as storming through games without breaking a sweat. Those RT cores means this is also capable of real-time ray tracing in supported games. All the components in the system have been installed in a Gigabyte AORUS X299 Gaming 7 motherboard. Here you can also see the cable mod black and pink accented cables replacing the standard Corsair ones. And for storage we have 4 drives, a 1TB Samsung 970, 2TB 970 and 2 2TB 860 SSDs. Cooler Master ARGB fans are very popular with our clients at the moment. They're easy to configure with 16.7 million colour options including strobe and other effects. Hey folks, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, hope to see you in the next one. If you like this build then go on give us a like. Let us know in the comments what you like about it, maybe even what you didn't like about this very unique system. Oh, and be sure to hit sub so you don't miss any of our future videos.